Want to export your project as an XML file from Davinci Resolve? I'm here to help. I'm Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to export your project as an XML file from Davinci Resolve. Now let's get started.
Alright, so you finished your edit in Davinci Resolve and now you need to move that timeline into another software, or maybe you're just backing things up. Either way, you need to export an XML file. And don't worry, it's actually super simple. First, a quick bit of clarity: what even is an XML file? Think of XML as a blueprint of your timeline. It's not your video footage, it's not the final export, it's basically a timeline file. It stores your cuts, edits, clip placements, timing, all that structure, so another editing software can rebuild your project exactly the way you arranged it. Now let's export it. Go up to the File menu at the top. Click on Export, then choose Timeline. That's it, that's the doorway. When the export window opens, select a saving location. Now click on Save as Type, and you'll see different XML types listed here, and this part matters. What we're looking for is Final Cut Pro 7 XML. Even if you're not using Final Cut 7, this is the most widely compatible XML format, and a lot of editing software can read this version without issues. So select FCP 7 XML. Once you're done, hit Save, and that's it. You've successfully exported your XML file from Davinci Resolve. Now let's go to the saving location. This is the file we just exported. Now you can import this XML into your other editing software, and it should recreate your timeline structure automatically. And that's all there is to it.